wanted to talk about hair. I'm natural for like over 10 years now, and it's a journey. 2 years ago I did the big shop because I still dye my hair even if I use some botanical hair color. Sometimes you can face a little bit of accident, and I've always loved to straighten my hair with flat iron, so kind of like damaged my hair. So lately I'm on a deep conditioning journey, and you see I've cut in my hair, but there's still some curls here and there that are not really back. So it's a process, and one of my secrets is every night I moisturize my hair with many things from coconut oil to many conditioner. My hair are conditioned every day, and every night I will put some castor oil on the tips, and once a week I will do the deep cleansing and the deep treatment. And my favorite product, not just because I'm from Mali, is the shea butter. And I'm so passionate that I'm creating my own whipped shea butter. From hair to skin, I play around different essential oil depending on the needs of my skin, of my hair. But this is homemade, and this is made in Africa, from the content to the packaging. Feel free to ask me more questions about it, because this is my new product. So yeah, basically every night I moisturize my hair and I do some flat twist, and then the next day I just remove the twist to get more structure on my curls. But yesterday I was doing so many things that I didn't have the time, and I knew that my twist wouldn't be dry for the next day. So I've just conditioned my hair and I've put my bonnet, satin bonnet. So today I know that I'm gonna go for some Bantu Knots because it's a good styling, and it will also allow me to just like leave my hair dry out during the day. Alright, so as I said, I've already kind of like started the moisturizing process with my conditioner and my shea butter. So the most important part now is to section the hair, detangle, and then create the Bantu. You boost the moisture, so I'm using a conditioner just to be able to grab all the hair. And depending on the length of your hair, I would advise you to take, because I'm short hair now, the smaller section, so I'm sure that my Bantu will stay. Define your curl. Ooh, do you see that curl? Yes. And then so if you really want them to be structured from the very roots, you start twisting and turning. Don't be too rough, because we also don't want to break your hair. And then gradually, while you turn, you just roll the knot all around, up, and then either, if it doesn't last, just take a safety pin to make it stay like that. Otherwise, like mine, this is one. Alright, so you can also in between decide to do some braids, and if they're longer, create some ornaments. I'm gonna do my whole styling now, and I will show you and explain to you afterward the whole process, because it's gonna be very complicated if I try to do it in front of you, especially because you're not gonna see what I'm gonna do in the back. Alright, see you. I'm getting there. So I'm in the front now, and I'm tired. To be honest with you, this is like a workout on itself. Like, it's an arm day today. For all my nappy girls, you get what I mean. So yeah, I just wanted to be in the front just to show you. So there's a lot of moisturizer, as you can see. It's not really a matter of being symmetrical because I don't have eyes on my back and it's gonna take me too much energy to even try and be very symmetrical. But the most important part is to have some structured and kind of like straight lines. And then when you come from the front, that's where you want a little bit of symmetry. So at least the main line, if you want to have at least that line straight, you know, and then you can just pleat gradually. So I have my line here and I'm gonna push it and do a flat twist in the middle because I want to put my curry shell as an ornament. So I just need to make it happen. And take a little bit on the right and a little bit on the left. Okay, so this is gonna be the section for my flat twist. So a lot of people are using gel, but I only use gel for my baby hair. So right now I'm just gonna put more conditioner to really grab the whole part. And I need to show off my curls here, so let me just saturate it with conditioner. And then detangle. Oh my god. Do you see that definition and that healthy curl? Slow motion. Slow motion curl. Anyway, yeah, so from that section now, I'm gonna do my flat twist. Looks nice. Let me now twist it until the end and see how I'm gonna gather it with a Bantu later on. Okay. Let's continue the twist now and show you from the front. Your section. Moisturize, conditioner, saturate the hair with conditioner. If you like the gel, the Eco Styler could be a good option. Detangle. Very important because when you then lose your twist, because that's another option of styling, you know, Bantu Knot out. It has to be quite detangled to be a very good curl. And now I'm twisting while I turn. Twist while you turn. Twist while you turn from the roots. And don't lose your tip, because that's what will make it stable. Yes, a lot of conditioner as you can see, but I'll show you how to get rid of it in a second. Okay. For the purpose of the video, you saw how one looks like, and that's what I wanted you to see. So let me finish and get back to you. I'm finally done. Oh my god. I'm so tired. So that's a reality. It's a workout on its own. So I have my Bantu, as you can see. I don't think I can walk outside like that. So your hair are full of conditioner and then it looks really crazy. So if it would be at night, I wouldn't mind and just put my satin cap on top, and then my hair will soak all the necessary quantity. But because I'm going out, I will have to dab with a towel just to make sure that I'm leaving my hair, I'm removing the excess of conditioner. And then also, what I like by the is the fact that it will soak and keep the moisture in the Bantu, so I can walk around while my hair are fully moisturized, and then the next day if I just lose them and just kind of like style them, they are fully moisturized. Okay, back. As you can see, they're clean, and here they are. Still have to now take care of the baby. I need to now show you how I slick my baby hair. So it's a matter of putting the gel on to flat all the baby hair to know which one you're gonna slick. And then you take your comb and then you just get the hair and up, 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 and up. See, and to finalize, you can even use the comb to now flat what you just done. Make it quite shiny. Just grab. And now it's time to let it dry. And I'm done. This is my agbada from Nigeria, normally brought from Man. We also have the equivalent in Mali and most of the West African country. I decided that it's gonna be my kind of like working woman outfit because it makes, with the shirt, it makes it very class. The theme, as you can see, is gray and black from the accessories. I have a lot of, I'm lucky because my friends are also jewelry designers. So this is an earring from my friend Eloquence, a jewelry designer from Paris. This ring is from another one called Genoa Art de Vivre. And I even have the matching bangle from Eloquence. And the rest is from Niger, as you can see here. I'm just going over all my jewelries, but it's always an African tour, and actually I must say a world tour. And then my makeup, quite bold, matching with the theme. And why it's bold is because I don't want to look either like a man, because you know my hair are not really you know, the asset of this look, and also you don't want to look like a teenager. So reason why it has to be, you have to be very feminine, and I'm not someone who wear earrings as anyone, so as you can see it's quite asymmetric, always asymmetric. And this is it. This is the Bantu Knots look around the grey and black. I hope that you enjoyed it and you managed to get the tips around this technique. So Bantu Knots, a very traditional African hairstyle that you can rock the day. And as I told you, today for me was the perfect hairstyle because I didn't have the time to twist my hair yesterday. Or on the evening, to get a nice wave on your curls, you can also rock it. And I'm gonna keep my Bantu till tomorrow, because I'm telling you, this effort and workout that I did to do them, they better be really nice and curly tomorrow. And for all my sisters and modest sisters who are covered, it's also a cool alternative to have under your hijab. and allow you to also keep the moisture into your hair for all the naturalista. Just a perfect hairstyle basically. So have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. I'll put the name of the gel and conditioner that I used. I even got to put a picture of the very few products. You'll see that there's not that much for this hairstyle. And I see you very soon. Don't forget to ask me any questions about my hair journey, my skin journey, or even makeup tips, because that's why I'm doing these videos, as well as for your styling. Have a great day. Bye.